Hi there, my name is Sam. I work at the Millicent Library in Fairhaven, and today I'm going to talk to you about the database NoveList, which is a database that is provided to patrons for helping to find new books. So if you're on our main library page, you can click on eLibrary, and then you can scroll down to where it says NoveList Plus. Now normally if you are going to NoveList from the library page, it should log you in automatically, but EBSCO, which is like the parent database company, might ask you to put in your library card, like if you were previously using databases on another account, like a university account or something. So in that case, you would just put in the barcode on the back of your library card, and then it'll give you access to the database. So as you can see, this is the main page. It has some featured books here with different sort of subgenres. So if you were looking for a book that was, you know, upbeat and likable, it's showing you some options here. If you're looking for something that's, you know, more that's well researched and compelling, as they state here, it's giving you the options of these books. You can also, as they say, try the appeal mixer, so you can choose your own adjectives to choose which books you might want to look at. So if you just hover over one of these books, it gives you the author's name and a small description. If you click on it here, it'll take you to the main page for the book. Again, gives you when it was published, description, and then if you go down here, it shows you reviews from some major reviewers like Library Journal. More about this book provides more information like the Dewey Decimal Number and the ISBN and some other sort of subgenres. And the same thing here, it has this cool option where you can click on different aspects of the book that you want to search. Again, in the system, like if you want to find similar things that are also first-person narratives, you know, set in Tennessee, you can click on these and it will show you similar books here. And on the right here, there's, for every book that you click on, it has this read-alikes option. So based on these subgenres and listed at the bottom that we just looked at, the website gives you some options on what it thinks you might like based on you looking at this book. So it has those options here. So if we go back to the main page, you can see that on the left here, there are some subgenres that you can click on. So if you click on mysteries, it has these you know, subgenres. So if you click, you know, cooking up crime, it will take you to books that feature sleuths who love to cook, bake, or otherwise, you know, serve food. So those are options that are listed here. And you can do that for any of the subgenres listed on this main page here. You know, if you click on horror, you could go to haunted, and it'll give you a list of books that you might like if you're looking for something of that nature. You can also do this for different age groups. On the left, well, you can switch over to fiction as well, and it has these genres here. But you could also search for kids as well. So, you know, if you want like a humor book for kids, you can click on something like this, and it'll give you some recommendations here. Now, so a database like this is different from some of the other resources that the library provides, like Hoopla or Overdrive or Libby. Those ebook resources like Libby let you read the book on your device, and so databases do not let you do that. It just helps you find new information and new books to read. Sometimes I will go through NoveList, and if I just finished a book that I really like, I will search for it and see if I can find anything similar. So say you're looking for a science fiction book about Mars, right? So you can type in this keyword here and then search. And then it'll give you a bunch of different books that are about that are science fiction books about Mars. So you can see there are a lot of options here. It even shows you, you can even check the library catalog to see if it's available through the library. Shows you any awards it's won, if it's in a series, and again, different options on the right for similar books. You could also use the words and or to kind of change your search a little bit if you're looking for something more specific. So if we do science fiction Mars or Martian, you get slightly different options that come up. You get The Martian by Andy Weir, The Martian Chronicles, so slightly different things that come up based on what keywords you use. If you're looking for a specific book, you could change the little option here to title, and then you could just type the title here. And it'll bring up, different options for the book that you might be looking for, different versions, like this is a graphic novel version. If you click on that here, it'll show you the date, and different information here. There are different ways to search. You can also do an advanced search, with these Boolean operators like we talked about, and you could even select a field to really, if there's something that you're really looking for and you want to get really specific in your search, there are lots of options here for doing that. So thank you for watching. If you have questions about NoveList or anything about the library, you can call us or find more information on our website, which is millicentlibrary.org. Thank you.